You may have already come across some of the hundreds of dashboards created by our team or by our users. In this video, we'll show you how to take the first steps to build your own version. The best way to get started is by cloning a dashboard you like. All dashboards include a clone option in the drop-down menu at the top right. Once cloned, you can edit it however you want. If you want to add something new to your dashboard, you first need to clip it. All charts and tables have this clip button. To see all your clipped objects, click on the top right next to Create New. From the Clipped Objects panel, simply drag them onto the canvas. You can arrange them however you like. You can insert individual charts or tables, and you can also add sections to keep your information organized. Don't forget to save your dashboard before leaving. You can keep it in your private space or share it in your public repository. Our team can help you get the most out of the platform. Let's talk.